Hello guys, I'm again here with a laptop Acer Swift 3 SF31457G. Since I'm having a long time using this laptop, so I thought to share my views regarding this laptop with you people. So let's open this first. So on the top we are having some paperwork documentation like the warranty and all. So let's keep this aside for a bit. Here comes our charging. This is the power cable, you can see. And this is the charging head, which is the normal one we used to have these days in the laptops. Now coming on to our main device. This is our main thing. Let's keep the box aside. Now this is our laptop. Here I'm having a slate grey color with me. It comes with a steel grey color as well. Brand name is here, which is very shiny and glossy look I'm having, and it is very portable. Let's continue with the build quality of this laptop. So it is built with magnesium aluminium construction. And the weight of this laptop is 1.11 kgs only, which is so light and so portable to carry even in the long journey as well. You can use it anywhere you want because of its portability, flexibility. This is very light. This is lighter even the MacBook also. So let's see what's inside the bags. So this is black grip pads for the better friction on the table or on anywhere you're putting this laptop on. So this is the speakers we are having on the both sides, and this is the exhaust fans. Now let's have a close look on the different types of ports this is having. So on the left side, leftmost, is the normal charging port, followed by HDMI 5 connector, a USB port 3.0 and a Thunderbolt C-type connector. So on the right side we are having an audio combo jack, a USB port 2.0 and a lock port. So now let's open this. So here you can see it comes with Intel Core 10 generation i5 chip inside it, which is 1035G1, and dedicated NVIDIA graphics card GeForce MX 250 with 2 GB of video RAM. On this side you can see we are having a better and improved Wi-Fi 6. Here is a very interactive and good fingerprint sensor as well, and you can see the build quality of the keyboard is also very nice, and it offers a very smooth and comfortable typing. So now let's switch this on. So we can see here we are having backlit keyboard with us, and this laptop offers 180-degree rotation as well. Talking about its display, we are having a 14-inch FHD IPS LED narrow bezel display. You can see the bezel of these are very nice and very narrow, which provides a better viewport screen. Now let's talk about its performance. Beginning from its mouse, you can see how well it does work. Let's open something. The mouse is very smooth and very interactive. Let me tell you guys about its price. It comes with 65,000 price in the Indian market, and with a laptop bag as well. I ordered it from Amazon, that's why I'm not having the bag with me right now. So proceeding further, let's see more about its performance. Since it comes with 512 GB SSD, DDR4 8 GB RAM, the normal day-to-day task is a child play for this. You can open up 20-30 chromes, as many as you want, and it will give you an appreciable performance, so that you can see the screen resolution, the quality of screen resolution it is having, as it is 1920 by 180 pixels. Let's see some videos to check this up. So this is my YouTube channel, guys. Please don't forget to share it, subscribe it, and like it. So let's look the video quality. You can see how clear the picture is being shown to us by this laptop. Hello friends, after long, here we are again. Talking about its battery life, Acer ensures it to have 12 to 13 hours of battery life. First of all, let me tell about the quality. It is having a 48 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. So Acer ensures us to provide a battery life of 12 to 13 hours without charging, but on my use, since I'm using it since long now, it provides us 6 to 7 hours, maximum up to 8 hours battery life, which is quite good, which is not bad at all. So now you can hear the sounds. Let me tell you guys that the quality of speakers the Acer has provided in this laptop, one speaker is here and one speaker is here. It is having dual speakers, but the quality of speaker quality we were expecting is not up to the mark in this case. This is all about the sound quality of the laptop, which you are hearing right now, which is just okay. And if you will put on the headphones or like somewhat that, then it will be quite good. But the normal speakers which this laptop is having is not good, is not up to the mark, you can say. Let me tell you one more thing, guys, about the MS Office package. This is not free, but Acer is providing 1 month free subscription to all its users. My subscription is over now, so you can open the files or like do some stuffs on that, but the advanced version is not available since it's not free in this laptop. So you have seen the sound quality as well, which I have reviewed that it is not up to the mark. This is the drawback I'm having in this Ultrabook. Now the main time, the conclusion. So in my opinion, the Acer is providing a very good laptop at this price, that is the 65,000 with a laptop bag. So this is a very good laptop at this price, good Ultrabook. The most important thing is its light nature, which makes it very portable, and the demand is nowadays for the light laptops, and this is what we require, and this is what we are having. About the sound quality, the Acer needs to improve it. About the speakers, about the sound quality, they need to update the system for the sound qualities. But otherwise, or on the battery life, it is ensuring that it provides 12 to 13 hours, but 8 hours is enough and good enough. So not on that. So this is all about the video. Please, if you like this video and if it helped you anywhere, please like it, subscribe it, and don't forget to share it more and more. Thank you so much.